Hey guys, and we're back with Natalie, and we got a special guest today.
Hi, it's Kylie.
Okay, so today we are going to be making slime, and we have a basket full of stuff.
So basically, what we're going to be doing is we have like stuff that's like, and so we're going to be drawing out of it, and then we'll put our stuff into our container. And we're going to see how it ends up at the end, which I am honestly super scared. So we are going to start. We'll draw at once at a time.
Do you want to go first?
Okay, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, okay. So, okay. She has gloves on. I'm not going to put my gloves on until if I do get to the bleach, which is going to be kind of an activator. It does kind of work, but you got to add water to it, so I'm hoping. Did we add water to this?
No. I didn't add water to that other slime that we made with the bleach.
Yeah.
So it's kind of...
Okay, yeah. If we need water, I guess we can add it. Okay, so water will be automatically get to the bleach unless she doesn't want to add it. I'm going to add water to mine, just like a pinch, you know. Okay, so this is my stir. It's just like a straw thingy. And then she has like an actual straw.
And we have the same bowls.
Okay, so we're going to put the basket right here behind y'all. Oh, these are our bags for when we get done with the slime, or when I need the stuff for the bleach.
We'll show you what we draw.
Yeah. Okay, so. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna look away and I'm gonna draw. See, I drew glue.
You lucky.
So we only have one glue, so
No, we have two.
Oh, we do? We have two.
But it's fine.
Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna grab the blue one then. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the blue one. I'm gonna add it in there. We're not gonna add a lot of glue because we don't have that much glue of the blue one, so.
Because we've been trying to make slime.
Yeah, we couldn't find the activator, so we had to try to use our own activator. So we finally found out that bleach would work.
Okay. And you might get another glue, so.
Yeah, and I might dig in another glue, so I'm only gonna add like that much to it. It's not much at all,
Okay,
but.
my turn.
Oh my gosh, guys. How did y'all follow this?
Oh, I do too.
Okay.
I'll guess this one. I got glue.
She got glue. Oh my gosh. Guys, she freaking got glue. Oh,
This is like a good luck game.
I was really hoping she didn't get glue. I don't know why, I just wanted her. So this is also kind of a competition, like who makes the best at the end.
And if you don't get activated, then we'll put some in there.
And I will be right back. I will be right back, actually. Yes, I just said that. Don't go without me, Natalie. I'll check the video after we get done to see if you cheat.
I'm not cheating. I'm just going to stir mine a little bit. I'm not cheating. Okay, right now she's adding in Switch Up. I'm going to stir up my glue. I don't know why. I'm just weird like that. And by the way, my parents made the little tile things. My parents made these, so we don't know exactly what's in there.
Yeah, I just added one more thing to it just to make sure. So, let's see what I'm going to draw. It's going to be mushroom.
I don't really want to switch up. You know, it's the same thing.
Yeah, I added switch up, so if we do draw a switch up, we'll just like switch our bowls. And it won't really matter at this point right now because
we both have glue.
Yeah.
So, draw card.
Oh, and if we get switch up, we switch everything. The container, the straws that we use.
Oh, you lucky. Go.
Activator. Okay, so I got activator, so I'm going to get my bleach. And that was really quick, actually. I didn't expect that to happen that quick.
Where's your gloves?
Right here.
Did you not already, like, put stuff on them? Like,
Okay, so I'm only going to put one glove on so it doesn't take as long. And FYI, our gloves are actually plastic bags because we couldn't find any gloves. So, you know, we're improvising, we're saving money, we're helping the world. We're
We can reuse these.
Yeah, they're reusable. Excuse me, you're going to get hit by the door and I'm going to laugh.
You're so mean.
I'm very mean.
She is mean sometimes. She's not always mean, by the way.
Okay, so this is super tight. I don't even know how I'm going to grab anything. This is literally all I can do. That's hilarious, okay?
I can grab everything.
I'm just going to, like, pour it in. Like, bruh. Like, I don't know how you can stand this. Okay, there we go. I added some. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Don't know how I'm going to get this. Okay.
You stir it before.
Yeah. I do my stuff.
Okay, now I'm going to draw.
Okay, she's going to go ahead and draw while I'm doing this.
Oh,
and it's
I
already
do two
hardening
again.
up without, like, what?
I do 2 again.
I'll put one in there.
I got switch up.
Bruh.
Bruh.
So you can add water, I guess, if you want to. So we're going to put that back in there. Now I kind of hope we don't hit switch up again, but you know. I'm going to get this off.
Because I got more glue in there. That's just didn't work.
Okay, so I'm going to... And sanitizer. I don't know what sanitizer is supposed to do, but you know.
I just had a little drop.
I'm just going to add 2 little pumps. The first pump was a kind of big one, but the second one was like literally this
Oh, it actually
size.
kind of works. Okay, my turn.
I guess the
I'm drawing things.
sanitizer, it helps activate it more, but it also helps make it not it also helps make it not as hard.
Oh my god, you're like a handful.
Bruh, if you hit them one more time, they're not going to want to play or watch this.
I got glue.
So I do recommend this game. This is a very fun game so far.
I got glue again.
Oh, she got glue again.
Again.
Lucky. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of mix it up.
You had a lot of glue anyways, Kyle.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna
Did you get switch up?
switch up.
Hang on, let me add more glue.
Switch up. Oh, and if you do see a SU, that means switch up as well, Natalie.
Okay.
Okay then, so I'm gonna stir my...
Oh boy, I got hand sanitizer and crap in here. Okay, I guess it's Tyler's turn.
Okay, so... Wait,
Hey,
no, it's
switch.
your turn, because I just got switch up.
I got activator!
She got activator, so... There we go. While she's putting her activator in, I'm just gonna...
If we get switch up, it won't really matter.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get
I got glue.
I just don't add a lot because I literally just add some in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a pump, just like a little pump. Oh. My darling, my baby, I'm so freaking weird. Bruh, come out. Look at this mess, it's not even coming.
I'm
There
not
we go.
adding a lot of activator because if I get another activator, then I don't want to over-activate my slime.
That would be hilarious. No offense, Natalie.
I honestly like Kylie's slime better.
Like, I'm hoping we do not get a switch up right now.
Hi.
Actually, I kind of want to switch up for some reason.
Oh my god, I got freaking glue!
Like, you want to make yours good so you win, but then you don't want to make yours good because if you get a switch up, then they have a really good one. Oh my gosh, guys, look. It's the, stuff and stuff. And it's like activating. So, yes, it does work. If you say, I have no activator, look for some bleach powder. And it works 100%. I just recommend you to use gloves while doing it because it will burn through your skin.
I'm only going to use one glove because my hand is
And-
getting so sweaty.
That is why we are using gloves today. So that is our warning. You
I let
cannot
go.
sue us. Yeah, it's on my hand. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, if you sue us, it's not our fault. I mean, oh my god!
What?
That's exactly
Okay, so I think this is balls, yeah. So, let's see, I'm just gonna not look. pretty sure this is our balls.
Where's our scissors? I'll be right back.
Okay, she's gonna go get our scissors while I try to cut us open. Yeah, I can tear it open. I don't want to.
You get it open?
No, I felt like making a clean cut. Oh my gosh, these scissors are like hard.
Yeah, because they're like glue's like stuck on them. Don't put a lot in there.
I'm gonna put a little bit because we have to share this. Oops. So
I want to switch up now.
So these are what our balls look like. They're not like foam balls like what y'all have. No, we didn't have any of those once again. So we were compromising.
Okay, let's get started. We didn't have anything.
And one of my balls fell on the floor. Once again, this is what they look like. They're kind of like beads, actually. Not balls, but we call them balls.
I got glitter. There's some glitter. If you cheat in this challenge, you will get payback after.
Yes,
like the other person gets your slime. That's our payback.
like they get both slimes.
But if your slime didn't work, then they get to spank you.
And guys, look what I got again. Glue again. So once again, I'm only going to put one pump in there.
I'm going to put like a little bit of glitter because we don't have to share the thing, but I
Oh
just
yes,
don't know.
and it is glitter glue.
Okay, I'm going to don't go a lot.
I'm not just going to get this.
Oh no!
What'd you get?
This crap.
She got,
Is that activator?
that's activator.
Oh, I thought it said hand sanitizer. I was like, oh no. Okay, good
There
thing I
we
have
go.
gloves on because that just squirted all over me. The activator did. I just want to touch it so bad, but I mean, mine does not look good. Go ahead, Kaga.
Okay guys, we have made a mess already. My fingers are
Lucky. Okay, Kai.
glued.
Draw.
Let me brush these off like this. There we go. Okay, we need a towel. Here's a towel. Okay,
I want to switch it like so bad. This is like sucky. So let's cross
I'm
our
gonna
fingers
keep this
and
tilted
hold
upside
it
down. That way it
straight.
doesn't take us long when we get glue.
Cross our fingers and hope she hits the switch up so we can switch signs and my life will be awesome.
I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope I don't get a switch up.
I'm gonna cross
Because like I have so much glue like right now, I'm like not even playing. Is this open? No, it's not. Okay, so we're good. So no, I'm just
I'm looking to see what you get.
and I got glitter.
This sucks, you know.
Okay, so
Okay,
I'm gonna get our glitter. So
Yes.
let me see. Let me see. I feel like you cheated.
No, I didn't. Here, I'll put it back and go again, okay?
Okay, fine then. Go again. Bruh, you just grabbed the same one. Bruh, you like literally
No, I
had...
didn't watch. Stir it up. That doesn't count because I literally got a switch up.
Fine, we'll switch up. Let me stir this in. Put that down, fool. You know what you're playing with
Because that's what I got. So, y'all even watch me. I went. Then say I got to switch up. You got to switch up.
Okay, so I guess we're switching up now.
Oh, God.
She has the funkiest one. Okay, I'm just gonna add a few more because she already had glitter.
You need more activator.
You can't add any more until you get some, fool.
Well, at least I hope I get some.
And I got balls once again.
No, because that song doesn't have balls in it. These aren't really balls.
Yeah, these are more like beads. So I'm gonna call them beads when I pull out balls. That was awkward.
They were only 59 cents.
Yeah, they were only 59 cents. But once again, we did not buy them. We found them in a drawer.
A
But
crack door, we get the jet door.
So let's show them what our slimes look like. So this is ours, mine. So well,
Mine.
making me mad
Mine.
because Guys, why did I get switch up? Or why did you get switch up?
Did you draw? Yeah. Balls.
Oh, so I'm just gonna move it away just to make sure I'm not cheating. And I got glitter once again. So I guess we're gonna be adding more glitter today. Where is the opening at? How do you do this?
Okay, here I go.
How?
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
I have glitter.
Okay then, we'll put that one back. Uh-oh.
Once again, I have glitter. Well, I have glitter in that one, and there's a little bit of glitter in this one. So. Are you mad if I got switched out?
Kind of, but you know what? This is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, move it away. Oh, I want this one. And we got SU, switch up.
No.
Switch up.
No.
Switch up.
No.
Yes.
Okay, I gotta get switched out, guys. Okay.
Hold on. We're gonna stir this up for a moment.
Okay. Stir.
Hold on, let's turn these all upside down.
I didn't even cheat.
I know, I'm just making sure.
I just need glue, and mine will be like good. How many rounds are we gonna do with this?
We're probably gonna do we'll do like in.
For now on, we're just gonna get the stuff out that we draw.
Yeah, and then
When
okay.
it's gone, we're done.
And yeah, when it's gone, once again, we're done.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I just realized none of us got rice yet.
Oh yeah, none of us have got rice yet.
Yeah, we did add rice in it. So.
Look. I don't know what I want.
And she got rice.
Rice. I thought it said switch up for a second.
She got rice. She got rice.
Okay. I'm just gonna cut like a little hole.
It's not coming out.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I think that's enough.
I'm adding a lot.
Look at that.
And when we get switched up.
Okay then.
It's not even slime anymore. Well, I'm saying I want blue.
I don't know what I want. Okay then. Bruh. You got rice. Okay, so we're gonna take that one out. And
We're making it bad for when I get it.
No, we don't know if you're gonna get switched up or not.
Okay.
And guys, this I don't even know anymore.
I got my dream. I got switched up.
Okay, gosh dang it, Natalie, I'm gonna kill you.
Switch up.
What is this? What is that? Not even slime.
That's exactly what I did.
What is that? Guys, this is not fair.
Got it. Now you know how I feel. I feel fine. But this is turning green.
Okay, and I freaking got activator. I have no glue to even activate.
Here's the end. I just have to do it again. Okay, here I go. Hopefully I can get switched up.
This looks like freaking toothpaste with rice in it. No. Stop picking rice. Rice, I tell you, rice. Let's go.
I'm so. A little chocolate. I never added it. It's fine. We'll just say it's chocolate.
Okay, so let me my turn. Okay.
Please get switch up.
Oh
Please
my
get switch
gosh.
up. What'd you get?
Thank the Lord.
What'd you get?
Got freaking glue. Now I have something to like
Oh.
add it.
I don't think we even have any glue in there, so let's test it. I don't think I have any glue either.
Bruh,
Any
you
more.
had way more than me. Look
No,
up.
I don't. Not anymore. Because you don't want this on anymore. I want to switch up. Here I go.
What? This is making me so mad.
Glue! Oh my freaking gosh, guys.
Okay, now we have some glue. Now all I need to get is activator once again. How many activators did you add in there? Or did our parents add in there? Or your parents?
I think 2.
See, I was gone when they did all this stuff, so
Yeah, we both.
I think she knows more than I do. Maybe.
I don't think I do.
Okay, so.
At the end, we're going to fix our songs if they're not good. So. Before we fix them, we're going to do whose is the best, though.
Bruh, I got glitter.
Oh my god, mine's working. I don't want to switch up. Mine's turning green. For some reason. There's like chunks of slime in here.
Probably. Okay, so now we're going to
Look at mine.
go again, Natalie.
See, mine's like green. Oh, I want to switch up so bad. What'd you say?
No, nothing.
This one's terrible.
You wanted it so much.
It probably goes once again. I have a feeling this is not going to work very well.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that all up.
We need more like glue. We're running out of glue, you know.
Activator.
You turd. And you have to keep it.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add in.
Here I go. Once again, I want to switch up.
She wants a switch up, and then she wanted another switch up.
Dun, dun, dun,
I'm gonna add in some order with this, guys.
I got hand sanitizer. Who wants hand sanitizer, guys? Not me, for sure.
Okay, don't knock that bleach off.
Okay, I added like the most hand sanitizer ever.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
This is like so hard to stir, like I'm not even playing.
This is terrible. Guys,
Like I think I smell something and my nostrils are burning.
because my hand sanitizer.
Oh, it's that hand sanitizer. Hold on, guys. Y'all are about to hear an elephant in the room. You ready? I saw an elephant come in a second ago.
That's
Did
just...
you hear that elephant? Oh, y'all. Did y'all hear that elephant? That elephant was like...
She's looking out the window for an elephant. Kylie, I draw glue.
Oh, I know you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, she cheated.
No, I
She cheated, didn't she?
didn't. I don't think you want my slime. So,
No, I think I would like rather this one, even though it's horrible. Okay. And look what we got.
and I don't think there's any more glue. Thank you, world. My best nightmare.
I got sanitizer, y'all. Sanitizer. It's good for you. Sanitizer.
Oh my
It's
God.
good for you.
I want to switch up.
Oh,
I got switch up.
she just sneezed all over me. I think I'm gonna get a nightmare. This is gonna be scary.
How?
Because if I don't get switch up right, I'm going to.
Hey, you little cheater.
It fell on me, Natalie.
How many switch ups did you put in there?
I think I only put 3 in there.
3? Oh, dang. Hey, you're looking.
Bruh, find them. I won't look. Yeah.
Like, this is a lot better than that other one. Like, I hope she doesn't get switch up, because then I think there'll be one more switch up after this, if she gets one. But
I don't even know. Okay, guys, time for the revealing. The mask revealing. I'm not even going to look. I'm going to let y'all look first. What'd I get?
No!
I'm guessing by that, no, I got to switch up. Oh my gosh. Hallelujah.
I want to switch up.
Hallelujah.
Okay, guys, I gotta get a switch up.
Okay, I just saw something. They put sugar in here and we have no sugar. So we are going to, instead of sugar, we're going to be adding like a...
Switch up.
No, we're going to be adding like a drop of lotion.
Yeah, let me wash off my hands. Okay. Now let me stir this up real fast. What are you doing?
I was just doing the rice.
Burn the rice.
Burn the rice.
No. Now dump it in here.
Okay, let's see. We have about 4 to 3 more.
Dun, 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 dun,
I don't even know her anymore. It's gonna be like, why is rice in a sink?
Okay. Now let me go. I put rice in here so you can't peek. You know? God.
That really sucks because this has holes in it, Natalie. You know that, right? So now it's like all
Okay, it's on my head, so I really can't see. What did I get? I'm gonna let y'all look at it first. Dun, 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 dun.
She get sugar.
Yeah, I guess we do.
Wait, hold on. You got sugar. So now you add a drop of lotion.
No, because that's not lotion.
Okay, whatever.
Done nicely. Then I'll let y'all look first. I'm not so scared. What did I get?
Bruh, there is no more switch ups.
Yeah, there was. There's one more. Remember? Because I went off. I got rice all in my hair. Sleep. Come on, guys. That was the last one, I think. I'm not sure.
I don't even know anymore.
How many did you even put in there?
Well, actually, I think I put like 4 in there. Because
Okay,
I really wanted to like make a big scene with the switch ups.
Yeah. I'm scared. Please don't get a switch up. I will cut.
How do you even do this?
I'm like so happy right now, guys. Like so happy.
Oh, there's one buried under the sand. I almost called this rice sand.
There's like rice.
I found it.
What is it?
I don't know yet.
Did you put that in there? Yes, you did. I seen you. Kylie's put that in there. She's cheating.
It's a switch up.
She's cheating.
It's a switch up.
Oh, you put that in there, Kai.
Well, so did you, because
No,
I saw it. Okay, so if we go back to the camera, will I see you put one in there?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so I'm going to stop y'all right here, guys.
No, because then the video will be gone.
Oops. Okay, so.
We'll see at the end.
No, so you better tell me, Natalie. Did you?
I didn't.
3.
I didn't.
I'm going to stop them.
Bye, guys.
3.
Bye.
2. Fine. Look at these. See? They're horrible. They're both horrible. Nobody won. Bye, guys. This was horrible. Once again, do not try this at home. It was very bad.
I'm going to try to glue. I did not get switch up. I did not put it in there. It really didn't.
Bye.
Bye.